Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clean and service the air filter on your Honda utility ATV. Now this happens to be a Honda Foreman 450S, but the process is going to be similar for just about any utility ATV from Honda, whether it's a newer machine or maybe it's almost 30 years old. It's simple to do. Let's go ahead and get started. So your air filter is going to be underneath the seat. You're either going to have a lever on the side or a lever on the back to remove it. Pop that free, pull it back. Then you'll have some tabs on top of the air box. Pop all of those back. Remove the lid. There's a hose clamp holding the air filter in place, so we need to loosen that up. Then you can remove the filter, and you may or may not have this metal tab on yours, but the main thing is you're going to pull this slightly back and out. Next, I'm going to put a clean rag in that intake tube, and we're going to clean the air box out. And some machines, they're going to have this dust filter, so it sits right beneath the air filter. And this is just the tube going into this is coming from that crankcase vent. So if you need to clean this out, or if it's dusty, you can blow it out with compressed air. Ours is actually really oily, so we're going to squeeze some of that out onto a rag. And we could clean up the whole air box, but at a minimum, you want to clean up around where that air filter seals. We'll set that back in place. And while I'm here, I'm just going to take a look down the intake. You want to make sure that you didn't suck any dirt down inside of there. If you did, you need to check your air filter for damage. At the bench, unscrew this tab and remove the air filter from the backfire screen. Inspect the foam for any damage. Clean it. Then set it out to dry. We've got a brand new filter, so we don't have to wait. This is going to allow us to alternate filters and streamline the process. Now we just need to apply our foam air filter oil evenly across the entire foam surface and work it in. Then we can reinstall the filter onto the backfire screen. If you want more info on cleaning and oiling foam air filters, check out our separate in-depth video. Now back at the machine, very important, don't forget to remove your rag from that intake boot. We need to set the air filter in place. You want to make sure it's on all the way and that your tab is in the correct position. Some of these air filters, it's just going to be a nub in the back. Then you want to tighten down your hose clamp, install the cover and the seat. So that's how easy it is to service the air filter on your Honda utility ATV. It's one of the most important maintenance items to stay up on. It's protecting your engine from getting dirt sucked in. So make sure you get that serviced and cleaned up. And if you need any parts for your machine, you can find that stuff on our website. Just click the link in the description below. We offer free shipping on orders over $75. So take advantage of that and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.